So, what a wonderful Saturday morning. I'm so delighted to meet my wonderful international winners. Equally happy to meet the parents of these loving children. Children, you're gems, you're stars. You are, so much of energy in you. Your reservoirs of energy, your reservoir of talents. Your hard work has paid. And for that, I'm sure we need to thank your mentor, Shalda ma'am. Shalda ma'am, can you come in the front? Yeah, that's so nice. I'm really delighted to have a virtual meet with all of you. Children, it is all your creativity that you won this championship at the international level. मैं मुबारकबाद दूंगी पेरेंट्स को भी कि इतने होनहार बच्चे हैं और आपने इनकी इतनी हौसला अफजाई करी. You actually encourage your children to put in their best foot out. Of course, off and on guidance was given by the mentor Shada ma'am, but it was your creativity that you did a wonderful job. So thankful to Abza for lending her voice and to the boys for preparing the world. Children, I think you need to share now. What would you like to say? May I have, who's going to speak first now? Yes, introduce yourself, your class, everything, right? Please.
Ma'am, I'm Himanshu from grade 7th A. First of all, I want to thank you and Shada ma'am for giving us this great opportunity and to showing us the path to victory. And then I want to thank Abza and Tanvi to helping us at every step of this way.
Okay, that's so lovely, Himanshu. You're in grade 8, and then I believe we have Tanvi Jassi, right?
Yes, ma'am. Good
What
morning,
was
ma'am.
your experience? Yeah, please share it.
Ma'am, my name is Tanvir. I am from grade 8th A. I am very happy to see you and Shadana ma'am. And I am so happy that we won the international and we are in international. I am also thankful for my team, Abza and Himanshu.
Oh. And Abza,
Good
how's the
morning,
one from the top? What have you to say?
ma'am. It was like an amazing experience for me because first of all, I was so excited for this competition, but due to my class and everything, I was not able to make it. But after that, when I was the part of the team and I did the voiceover, and at last when I viewed the whole world, due to the when the results came out, I was so excited. Like at the night, it was 10 o'clock or 10:30 p.m. at night, and I screamed so loud when we were the winners of the same. That was like unexpected for me, and this was like so big achievement for all of us. Like this is not just a work of a single person or something. It's just a teamwork of Tanvi, Himanshu, and with the able guidance of our mentor and their parents as well. Because only one person wouldn't be able to make it. So it's the efforts of the whole team. So I'm thankful for everyone for the same.
और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि पेरेंट्स भी अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएं कैसा लगा जब 8th क्लास का बच्चा इंटरनेशनल विनर होता है. हाउ डिड यू फील व्हेन योर चाइल्ड इन ग्रेड 8 बिकेम एन इंटरनेशनल विनर? बताएं प्लीज. कौन बोलेगा? बोलिए मैम या बोलिए सर.
बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको जब हमने पहले तो ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कभी. बहुत अच्छा लगा. खुशी का ठिकाना. ये भी बहुत खुश थे, बच्चे भी बहुत खुश थे.
देखिए, ये तो शुरुआत है. ये बच्चे कौन से आसमान को छुएंगे ये आपको और हमें नहीं मालूम है. भगवान ने इनके लिए क्या रखा है. व्हाट इज डेस्टिनी फॉर देम वी डोंट नो.
ये क्या लैपटॉप लेकर बैठे रहते हैं, अब पता चला ना उन्हें.
That's lovely. That's lovely. Yeah. आप सर, आप what would you like to say, please?
हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सुन के जब ये इसको अवार्ड मिला है, इनकी टीम को मिला और अपना स्कूल जो है उसका नाम हुआ इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सुन के. पहले मुझे पता नहीं था ये कंपटीशन का लेवल क्या है. तो जिस हमें इसको अवार्ड मिला तो फिर इसने बताया कि ये इंटरनेशनल लेवल का एक एक्टिविटी थी, उसमें हमने पार्ट लिया था। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और बड़ा ऑनर्ड फील किया। हमारे बच्चे ये अवार्ड लेके आए, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
चलिए, Sharda, congratulations to the mentor and the leader of the team. Sharda, can you, in a minute or two, let us know what was your experience of traveling this path and taking your children along with you in this victorious journey?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
I am, as everyone keeps on saying, very happy. Happy is a small word. It's a very small word if I consider. We are
Okay.
all on cloud nine and we are so excited, and it's an awesome experience throughout the journey. From the day we registered our team, and then we had teams meetings, and in the evenings we used to call each other and we were on the teams discussing what project are we going to make, because there were 5 biomes given. So children had an idea. Ma'am, we would be selecting the water biome. So that has an idea. So Himanshu came up with this idea. So I said, okay, that's good. So which SDG can we focus on? So then Tanveer said, ki, okay, ma'am, we can focus on life below water, which is goal number 14. And from there, the journey started. So we used to make small bits and parts, and then they used to share with each other. And I was with them always saying, yes, you have to share it. Today is the deadline. Today you have to do it. So 2 days, 3 days, every child used to take, and then they used to share the world, because we are doing everything remotely.
Yes.
And a part which was updated on the world has to be shared by the other child so that he or she can build his part. And then we set up the dialogues as to what we would be speaking and on what goals we would be talking about. And a final presentation was made which has to be submitted by the mentor. So I made the PowerPoint presentation with all the details of the school. And we are indeed lucky to have ourselves in this esteemed institution which gives us opportunities day in and day out. So every time we are recognized internationally, our happiness knows no bounds. The day
Yes.
when the actual event was there, it was a live event. So we had about 260 participants logged in there, and everyone was waiting for the results for their school name to be announced. And we had about 1255 students appearing, 2600 students, 1255 schools were there, and about 100 countries were there. Sorry, 19 countries were there. So it was a huge, big number for having our name within them. And it
Yes.
was a moment of, they said 3, they said 2, and then I was like, okay, 3, 2 is done, where is our name? But back of the mind, I had a feeling maybe our name is in number 1. And sometimes, sometimes it is said, if you say something that goes true and all your motivation that yes, this is the deadline we have to submit. So you kept on asking us whose team has submitted the project and what is the goal going on, are we proceeding. So your continuous guidance also plays a vital role every time, ma'am. Every time we step back 2 steps, we are ready to bounce back with 10 more steps. And that's we are now Global Minecraft Build Championship winners for 2020. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, miles to go, and the sky is limitless. Children, keep flying. This is a small step in your history of winning. Minecraft is a great tool by which we can have creativity. Tomorrow's world is not for children and people who do not think out of the box. It's for children with 21st century skills, thinking out of the world, out of the box, creating new world, finding solutions to problem, to real life solution, creativity, critical thinking, right communication skills, collaboration. That is tomorrow. And that is what we are trying to prepare you for. So God bless you. Thank you very much. And before we wind up, I have to tell you that you've got 8,000 the coins as such by which you can buy the various things from your mind for your Minecraft, creating the world, the skins and everything. You can go ahead with it. Each one of you get it. So we're very, very delighted. Congratulations. Keep it up. But before I call it a day, we need to shout a little bit. We are going to say, yeah. All right. So 1, 2, 3, and we'll be shouting at the top of the world. So 1, 2, 3, Yay! See, I'm the only one. Come on! Congratulations, clapping, celebrations. Yeah, that's it. That's it. God bless. God bless. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.